This will save your life. Smoke detectors save lives.
First Alert 4 getting a first-hand look Friday just how fast fire can spread as daylight saving time comes to an end. Setting your clocks back an hour means you should also be making a vital check for you and your family's safety. Officials locally and nationally encourage people to mark the time change by also changing out the batteries in their home smoke alarms. Yet too often people forget, and that's why local fire departments are trying to reach homes directly. First Alert 4's Nathan Vickers today followed crews along for those vital checks in a South City neighborhood.
Visitors on a Saturday morning
Fire department
weren't quite what Mark Marbley expected.
Yeah, I heard fire department. It kind of shocked me. I'm like, I didn't call any fire department.
But when he heard the St. Louis Fire Department and the Red Cross were installing free smoke detectors, he knew it was the right move.
You can't go wrong. That's a safety thing.
It's an outreach program that happens twice a year.
We want to make the community safer.
Reminding people to test their smoke alarms in conjunction with the time change and installing new ones with 10-year batteries when necessary.
They may only have 2 minutes to get out of the house safely, and having a working smoke alarm, it gives you those valuable seconds and minutes to get out of the house.
The Red Cross provided assistance to more than 1,500 people in the St. Louis region this year displaced by fires. And firefighters see too many homes without working devices.
Obviously, there's still a need because we're still installing so many smoke alarms. So too often, and I think just in the busyness of life, the smoke alarm kind of gets left out.
Well, we had one in here once before, and the batteries went down.
For Marbley, they installed a new one just outside his kitchen.
Yeah, you did a great job.
The goal is to install 1,000 smoke alarms this weekend, but the Red Cross also wants to educate people about fire safety and the importance of making an emergency plan.
We talked them through on how to make a home fire escape plan so they can draw the layout of their home here.
We really try to encourage to have 2 ways out. What would you do? How would you go? Where are we going to meet when we get outside so that we know everyone's accounted for?
It's a visit and a lesson Marbley welcomed.
It's getting cold, the season's changing. I know I got space heaters plugged up.
And a reminder that a quick check,
so I'd rather be safe than, like they say, safe than sorry,
could save a life. In St. Louis, Nathan Vickers, First Alert 4.